Is your law firm feeling like it's throwing marketing money into a black hole? Many firms struggle to find a marketing partner who truly understands their unique legal niche and delivers real results. But imagine a world where every dollar you invest works hard for your firm, genuinely growing your practice. It is possible. So let's unlock the secrets to choosing the right legal marketing agency. First, you need to be crystal clear on your own goals. What does success look like for your firm? Is it 15 qualified personal injury leads a month in London? Or boosting your brand in a specific area? Get specific. Don't just say, I need more clients. Think about measurable outcomes. Next, honestly assess your current marketing landscape. Do you have a mobile-friendly website? Any social media presence? Are you tracking leads? Knowing where you stand helps an agency see the gaps and opportunities. It's like a doctor's diagnosis before treatment. Now, for the agency search, this is the key. Do they truly understand legal marketing? A general agency might be great for restaurants, but legal is highly specialized. You need someone who knows the jargons, the ethics, and the unique client journey. Look for agencies whose entire focus is law firms and are serving legal firms for their online digital marketing. Demand transparent communication and reporting. No ambiguous reports. You need an agency that explains what the data means, what actions they're taking, and what challenges they face. They should be proactive, not just reactive, and provide clear dashboards or meetings. Always ask for client testimonials and case studies. The proof is in the pudding. Look for specific metrics like a percentage increase in traffic or leads. Don't hesitate to call references directly and ask about their overall satisfaction and results. Now, let's talk pitfalls. Beware of one-size-fits-all solutions. Your firm is unique. A generic package won't work for your specific practice, area, or location. Demand a personalized strategy. Now, for the pricing, understand it fully. Is it a flat retainer? Are they charging hourly or on ad spend percentage? Get a clear breakdown of all costs. The cheaper isn't always the best, but the expensive doesn't guarantee results either. Look for fair value. Finally, get a clear contract and scope of work. This protects your investment. It should outline services, deliverables, timelines, and even asset ownership. Treat this document like any other vital legal agreement. When vetting, ask the right questions about their experience, their results, their strategy, their team, their reporting. Their answers will show their expertise and fit. Request a detailed proposal that acts as a blueprint for your goals. And yes, check those references and online reviews. Once you've chosen, it's about building a successful partnership. Set clear KPIs together. Hold regular check-ins. Provide feedback. And remember, digital marketing is dynamic. Your agency should be adapting and evolving, keeping you informed of new trends. Choosing the right partner is a strategic investment in your firm's growth. So stop wasting money and start growing. Thank you for watching. For more videos like this, follow and subscribe.